This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Stacy Beta. Completely renovated from head to toe, this 2-bedroom 2-bath condo has been completely transformed with high-end appliances and expertly crafted woodwork. The owner has installed magnificent porcelain tile throughout the unit as well as beautiful quartz counters. All new chandeliers, and lighting recently installed. New efficient hot water heater too. Sit out back in your enclosed Florida room and enjoy the serene lake and all the nature it attracts. Generous sized bedrooms complete with cordless window treatments to enjoy your beautiful views. Expertly designed bathrooms with a cool glass barn door to maximize space. This open floor concept brings in loads of light. A lovely home to enjoy in a wonderful 55+ community of Kings Point. Kings Point offers you theater, activities. For more information, review the details below or contact Stacy Beta at 561-900-1707.